How to receive money on PayPal without bank account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can receive money on PayPal without a bank account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you want to receive money on PayPal without a bank account, there might be some limitation, such as you cannot withdraw cash directly to your bank if you want to use PayPal without linking your bank account. And also your account limits may apply, such as sending or receiving the cash. And for the larger amount, you might need to verify your identity if you want to use without a bank account. So if you want to continue without your bank account, all you have to do is go to its official website, that is www.paypal.com. Then you have to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions in order to create a new account. Once you have your new account, you make sure that you verify your email address. That is where people will send you money on PayPal. After that, once your PayPal is active, you can directly share your PayPal email address or a linked phone number with the sender. If you want to view your email or phone number, navigate to top right and click on the settings icon. Under your settings tab, you will have your phone number and also your email, but make sure that your email is verified. Then you can share your email or phone number with the sender. Then they can send money directly to that email or number. After that, you will receive notifications once the money is received. So you can use the funds without a bank in order to shop online at stores that accepts PayPal. You can also buy digital services or subscriptions and also send money to other PayPal users. So in this way, you can use PayPal without a bank account or receive money on PayPal without any bank account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.